In the name of God. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Rosa, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this square notch pillow. So watch the video completely to see how do I make it. It's so nice and easy to make. The fabric that I use for this cushion is a Korean velvet fabric that's for dresses, and it's stretchy and so thick. Okay, I filled the braid, and as you see, the length of the braid is 4 meters and half. Start to tie like me. At first, I put the braid this way so that the dark side of the velvet fabric is toward me. And I start to tie like this. Under this one, take it with your hands, and the head of the braid will go under these, on these, and under this. Take it out. As you are tying, turn the braid so that the swing seams is toward the center of the cushion. Now you can see 1, 2, 3 petals of the cushion. Now we should double it. Follow this braid and double the cushion. Double the braids. Turn the braid and organize it so that the swing seams are hidden. It is finished, but it needs some organizing, and then I should pass this one for under these, and then I will sew these two together. Continue watching. I will sew it in front of you. Okay, it's done. I sew the head and the tail of the braid together and hide it under this braid, and sew this leather here that my name is on it, and it's, as you saw, it's easy and it doesn't take so much time to make. So try it, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.